Hello everyone, here I am again. Today, I bring you a lucrative opportunity that allows you to earn passive income right from your internet connection without much effort. Sounds enticing, right? Are you ready to turn your web browsing time into an income-generating opportunity? Welcome back to the Airdrop Go channel, your go-to source for in-depth information on the most prominent airdrop projects. So, what exactly is Solix, and why should we be interested in it? It's quite simple. Solix is creating a network where users like us can share their unused internet bandwidth. In return, we earn rewards in the form of SLIX points. It is similar to other DEPIN deals that I've previously introduced to my audience on my channel. The best part about these types of projects is that they operate entirely passively. You just need to install it, connect, and let it run without affecting your internet browsing speed or daily online experience. For those of you already familiar with earning airdrops, participating in Solix will be even easier. No need to manage complicated testnets or interact excessively each day. Just set it and watch the points roll in. Alright, let's get to the point. I will now guide you through the steps to start receiving airdrops from Solix. It will be quick. To participate in the airdrop, the first step you need to take is to register an account on the Solix website. I will include the registration link in the video description for you to access. First, on the registration page, you will need to sign up using your email address. Next, fill out the password for your account. The referral code field is optional. If you want to support me, kindly fill it in. But if you don't have one, you can leave it blank. Once you've filled in all the required information and checked the terms and conditions box, click Continue button below to complete the registration process. After successfully registering, you will log into the account you just created. Once logged in, this will be the main interface of the project. Here, you will see the number of points you will earn by inviting others to join the project using your referral link. To the left, you can find the Connection Quality section. This indicates your connection score. The higher, the better. Below that is the Total Earnings tab. Each time you activate the project, your points will be accumulated here. There are two main categories of tasks available. Follow the project's account on X and join the Discord community. First, click on the Follow X button. The site will redirect you to the project's X page. Click Follow on Solix's X page. After following, return to the Solix page and click Claim to receive 5,000 points. Next, join the project's Discord server. Click the Join In button, and the site will take you to the project's Discord. Accept the invite to join Solix's server. After joining Discord, return to the Solix page and click Claim to receive another 5,000 points. Additionally, you can complete more tasks under the Social Task category. These tasks are straightforward, so let's quickly go through them. Follow the X account of Eclipse Foundation. Retweet a post on the project's X channel. Like a post on the project's X channel. Add Solix to your X profile. Create a post with a specific hashtag. Once you complete these tasks, your Solix points will be credited to your account. You can track your total points and other tasks in your dashboard. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you've begun your journey to earn passive SLIX points. Easy, right? Are you concerned about the risks of scams when participating in airdrops? Are you feeling fatigued from trying to gather information on your own and haven't found a sustainable way to earn money? Worry no more. Through the content on the Airdrop Go channel, I will share practical experiences from my own journey, proven strategies to help you feel more confident and enable you to withdraw your earnings to your wallet while maximizing profits. What are you waiting for? Sign up for the Airdrop Go channel now to conquer the world of airdrops together.